Okay. Okay. Are we live? I'm gonna see if we are live or not. Gonna check here. Let me just refresh my screen here. All right. There we go. There we go. Okay, there we go. It is rolling. All right, we are live. Okay, that's good, Ali. All right, everyone. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome everyone into the live stream. This is a behind the scenes of the severe weather outlook show that I do every well, mostly sometimes here on my PC severe weather outlook YouTube channel. Um, and most of you all know me, Ali. I am at PC severe weather outlook on YouTube, Ali. And welcome all to the behind the scenes of the severe weather outlook show that I do every day right here on my YouTube channel. Um, Before we get started, I would like to know if all of you can hear me very well and see me very well. I know. Okay, well, all right. All right. Well, we have one person joining. At BC, Dayton, Ohio, EAWX, welcome. You've been added as a mod, so welcome. So to tell you all why I am giving you a behind the scenes because most of you all have been asking me how do you do your severe weather outlook episode, for example the day one outlook and of course the day two outlook of course. To tell you all how I do that. Normally, I would do the day one and the day two outlook on on my Amazon on my Amazon Fire tablet. But since I'm doing the live stream here on my Amazon Fire tablet, I am going to be doing the day one and possibly the day two outlook here on my computer over here, Ali. And you, the viewers, are going to be watching how I do it. So, we're gonna start off with episode 33, which is the day one day one similar outlook episode, and then possibly we're gonna try to do the day two outlook video as well. So we're gonna try both of those, Ali, and see how it goes. Um, just give me a second to get everything set up here, Ali, and I'll be back here momentarily. You are welcome. You are welcome, SBC Dayton, Ohio. You are welcome for the mod. All right. Okay. Okay, so let me know if all of you can see me here on the live stream. Okay. Okay. All right. Yep, we're good. Yep, we are good. We are completely good. We are good. So, all right, we are completely good. So, um, All right. So what I do, I make sure that I have everything um, fully situated right here on my computer. I make sure I have um, let me see here. Let me go ahead. Let me put you all up very close so all of you can see what I am gonna be showing you all. Um, okay, so might be hard to see me right now. Might be kind of hard to see me right now, but right now I'm just about to show you all what I'm about to show you all, Ali. I make sure that my speaker is on, and I make sure that my microphone is on, Ali, so all of you can hear me, Ali, when I do the video, and of course um, everything else, and um, no matter what, Ali, and then I press this I hit this blue button, Ali, and then it just count me down, Ali, and then I start talking and everything else. So without further ado, let me go ahead and let me back you all up, and I'm gonna back you all up, Ali. So all of you can watch me do this. So need to make sure that it doesn't like fall over, and make sure my Amazon Fire tablet is very good to this. So without further ado, let get started with the episode, shall we? All right. So and yes, I do wear glasses. So I wear my glasses every time when I do an episode. When I do an episode. So So without further ado, let's get started here. So let me know if all of you are ready to see me do this. So okay, so I think everyone is ready. So all right, all right, let's do it. All right, three, two, one. Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Severe Weather Outlook, right here on the FPC Severe Weather Outlook YouTube channel. Today's date it is let's see, it is Tuesday, August 4th, 2026, and it currently 2:08 p.m. Central Standard Time. And today we have ourselves the day one similar outlook for the United States, of course. And let's go ahead and see what we got here, shall we? So for today's severe weather outlook, we have three areas of marginal risk for severe weather for today. The first area is from from Georgia all the way to portions of South Carolina, all the way to North Carolina, Tennessee, Virginia, and portions of Kentucky. And then the second area is going to be from Nebraska all the way to Iowa and portions of a little bit of Illinois and portions of Missouri. And then the third area is going to be Colorado, a little bit of Colorado, portions of New Mexico, including a little bit of the Texas area, of course, and that is where we could see the threat for severe thunderstorms. Um, Also, we do have a marginal all the way down from the New Mexico area all the way to the Arizona. And then we have ourselves a light rig for severe weather for the portion of Arizona, for the Arizona area. So that's what we have. Next up is the tornado graphic map where we have less than 2% for all areas, so it means no tornado will happen today, Ali. And then next up here is the damaging wind graphic map where we have ourselves a day on the day one wind rate. We have ourselves a CIG1 of 15%, and last but not least a 5% area for severe what I should say wind, of course. And then finally today we have ourselves a day one hail rate today for the Arizona and New Mexico, Colorado, and the Nebraska and Iowa, including the Missouri area, of course. And that's what we could be able to see, of course, as of today, outlay. Um, and then everything talked about the threat for severe weather for today, outlay. Um, pause the video if you like to read, outlay. You know how it goes, outlay. So please pause now if you like to read, no matter what, outlay. All right, well, that is gonna wrap it up here for the episode of Severe Weather Outlook, episode 33, I believe. I will be back. I will be back here shortly for the day two Civil Outlook video. Until next time, stay awesome and also stay safe out there, Allie. And I will see you all later. Bye bye. All right, everyone. Well, we are done with the first episode, which was the day one Civil Outlook. So yeah. It really take the time to really um it really took the time to do that, to really do the episode, but it was a piece of cake. It was really a piece of cake, Allie, if you ask me, Allie. But anyway, yeah, that only was about 4 minutes and 48 seconds. So um so um so that's how it really goes right now, Lee. Um I am going to take a quick break here for 30 minutes, Ali, and we'll come back to do the day two outlook video, and you guys will get to see how that will be, Ali, and then after we do that, Ali, I'll wrap up this live stream, and both video will be uploaded momentarily. So. After I do the editing and everything out, and I am gonna show you all that. I am gonna actually show you all how I do that. So um, so yeah. All right. I'll be back. I'll be right back, everybody. So don't go nowhere. I'll be back here momentarily. Okay, we are back. We are back, everybody. So right now we are about to start the day two outlook video here momentarily. So that said, let's go ahead and get down to business, shall we? Um, so once again, so before I start the episode, I need to make sure that the speaker is on, and I need to make sure that my microphone is turned on, and I also make sure that the volume is up, alley, very very high, so all of you can hear me on the video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started, and let's do the day two similar outlook video. So let's get it done and let it going. So I wait for the minutes alley to pretty much stand by and and everything else. So let me know. So let me all know that you are all ready and everything. And it looked like not a lot of people are not actually chatting right now in the live chat now, which is that's kind of surprising. All right then. So I get everybody ready now, Ali. All right. All right. Recording in three, two, one. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Severe Weather Outlook right here on the FPG Severe Weather Outlook YouTube channel. Today it is August 4th, 2026, and it's currently 2:17 p.m. or 2:18 p.m. Central Standard Time. And today we have ourselves the day two similar outlook for the USA, the United States. So let's go ahead and get things done here, shall we? So for the day two outlook, we have Arizona. We have Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, portions of Texas, and Missouri, Illinois, and Iowa in ourselves a level one marginal risk for severe weather tomorrow. And the areas in that day two are Tucson, Arizona, St. Louis, Missouri, Arlen, Illinois, Springfield, Missouri, and Nashville, Illinois. Next up is the tornado graphic map, where we have ourselves a day two tornado risk for Aaron, Illinois, Joltonton, Illinois, per, per, Peoria, Illinois, Davenport, Iowa, and Iowa City, Iowa. Is in a level two area for tornadoes. Um, Next up is we do have Tucson, Arizona, St. Louis, Missouri, Arlon, Illinois, Springfield, Missouri, and Naperville, Illinois, in a day two wind risk, which is pretty much 5%. And then, last but not least, we have ourselves the large hail graphic map, where we only have it for Missouri, Iowa, and then Illinois. And those areas are going to be Aaron, Illinois, Peoria, Illinois, Davenport, Iowa, Columbus, Missouri, and then last but not least, Bloomington, Illinois are are going to be in the in that 5% for the hail rate, of course. And then this is what everything talked about the threat for the severe weather for tomorrow, and I will give you all some time to read all of this and everything else. So please pause now if you like to read everything. You know what to do, no matter what, Ali. So that said, Ali, that is gonna be a wrap here for this episode of severe weather outlook here. I really hope you all really have enjoyed this video, and I'll be back tomorrow. I will be back tomorrow for the day one outlook video. And until next time, stay safe and have yourself a great Tuesday afternoon. Bye, y'all. And that is a wrap, everybody. And that is a wrap. So that's how I do the day one and of course the day two outlook video of the severe weather outlook show, Ali, that always happens right here on my severe weather outlook channel. I really hope all of you have indeed enjoyed the behind the scenes and everything, Ali. Um, so so yeah. So that said, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the live stream. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all again next time, and I'll see you all real soon. So bye bye, everybody.